Hello guys and girls, and today common damp problems in buildings. This is usually one of three things: condensation, i.e. a lack of ventilation, penetrating, i.e. a leaking gutter, or rising, i.e. a failed damp proof course. So on this video it's the damp proof course. Is yours being bridged? So a damp proof course is a barrier usually formed by a membrane which is built into the walls of a building, typically about 15 centimeters above ground level, and it prevents damp rising through the walls. So as you can see here on the inside, we've got a lot of damp and peeling plaster, and this is an outside wall. Now what happened on this property was the driveway had been built right up against the damp proof course, so that was actually being bridged. You had the driveway right up against the walls. Now what you need at least 2 courses of bricks downwards to give those bricks space to breathe, so the damp doesn't rise up into those porous bricks and into the building. So what I've done here is I've removed all the bricks from the driveway, which is pushed up against the side of the building. As I say, you need at least 2 courses of bricks to be breathable. And what I'm going to do here is I've obviously dug this channel out, removed the bricks from the driveway, and then I'm going to just take some fairly big gravel pebbles and just fill that in, just to allow the building to breathe. So that's all what I've dug out there. So this is just a quick shot of what I've dug out. We're going in, and we're going in 0.35. That'll to keep those fighters off our tails. Pull up, you're not going to make it. I got a little cooked, but I'm okay. Right, back to the video. So you can see I've dug a nice channel out here. It was just lots and lots of soil and mud and stones pushed up against that brickwork. So I've got some 20mm gravel, which is basically, you know, some decent sized pebbles. And just going to start pouring it in there. Just allows the any rain and wetness just to actually just escape and not sit up against the wall of the building. Obviously I'm not going to fill it up with just one hand. I'm just doing this while I film it. Once I've stopped filming, I'm just going to pick the bag up and pour it in. But this is just to show you how the pebbles are going to sit up against the brickwork. So you can see there the bricks on the left, I mean, they are quite damp because you've had all that soil and bits just sitting up against the building. Right, so let's get this little trench filled up. For this small gully, I think I used 4 or 5 bags of gravel. So you can see there, this is about 20 minutes later. Well, I've poured all the pebbles in. So now when it rains, the water would actually just, you know, sieve through these pebbles and drain away instead of sitting up against the house. And then at the end, I've just got this decorative purple kind of pebbly granite stuff and just poured that in just to make it look nice. So really, you shouldn't have your driveway built right up against the house. It's okay as long as it's 2 courses down from your damp proof course. So you can see there where the house has been rendered. That is where the damp proof course is. And now once you've done that, you now need to go inside, hack off all of this damp plaster, let it dry out, and then get it damp proofed and replastered. And that is the end. Thanks for watching, and I hope that's helped somebody out there.